South Sudan homemade meal. How I cook my dinner for my family. I love African food. You may like this video. Why I say you fall in love with this dish is the way it's made and how it tastes. You know, back in the olden time, no one eat mushroom, especially back home. No one used to eat that. It's grown on the. You can go to the jungle, you find them grow, and it's there everywhere. Most of the people, they are afraid of it because they don't know what's safe and what is not. But as we involve and we move countries to countries, we become used to the way that people eat mushroom. So today I'm introducing you to one of delicious and amazing dish all the way from South Sudan or all the way from Africa. So buckle on and let's make the dish together. You will start by cutting your onion and fry them on the other side. We are not going for golden fry onion. We're just going for just a middle one. And then in the meantime, grab your mushroom. You love mushroom. You love a ton of mushroom. You can just use them all, but you just want a little bit. You can just cut the rest of them and you can leave some for another day. So what I did was I cut the rest and I leave the rest for another dish, for another time. And while I was making it, I wanted to make chicken, but I couldn't make it on time because the chicken was frozen. So I just kept it there, and you will see it in the another video. So the way that people prepare this food is so memorizing, and it's really good. And what I like about this recipe, it doesn't have to be exactly how I'm making it. You can just make it how you like it. You don't have to put tomatoes you don't like. You don't have to seasoning it way too much you don't like to. But a seasoning you can never forget. Paprika and black pepper, always have them no matter what, because that are the main seasoning you may need to build up any dish you are making, because they are always good and nice. And you can never go wrong with a green bell pepper. When you use green seasoning, they are always good and amazing because the aroma they release to the hair is really good. And the way that this meat is, you don't need a lot of meat. You can just go with a half of kilo will work. And when you're done chopping them and you do all of this together, don't forget to check your onion on the other side so it doesn't get burned. And this dish reminds me a lot of things, because when I came to Canada, I never eat mushroom in my life. And when I went and ordered pizza, I couldn't know what to order. So I just went and ordered whatever pizza I could see in the screen or just read, And I was hit with that pizza had mushroom inside. And when I brought it home, my kid was running away from it. Mom, what did you buy? I say, kid, we just have this for now. And surprisingly, we were able to eat it really nicely and amazingly. So that's how delicious the mushroom is, guys. So you never try mushroom, I think you should try it. And believe me, you're going to like it. You're watching this channel for the first time. You come across this channel for the first time. Welcome. Here we make South Sudanese dishes and African food. You love African food, you will like this channel. If you love South Sudanese traditional food, you are in the right place. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And tell me what was your favorite part in this video in particular. You want to watch more food video, or you want to learn more about South Sudan, you can go deeper in the channel and you find good video talking about delicious food of South Sudan. Or maybe you're thinking about traveling to South Sudan. You can just start by watching this video over here. It will give you the idea what you expect to eat there and what you may like and what you may not like. We have a lot of traditional food and they're all beautiful and amazing. So far, the dish has come together like you see. You've been following me. You can see the video. You can just follow the process, because most of the time I don't write anything there because I want it to be like natural. And that's why I just do it straight away like that. No too much editing. Just simple, nice, and amazing to just pass by. So you think about, oh my God, let me just visit this country. You don't even need to go in a airplane. You can just sit on the couch and look for one of the video and just watch, and there you are. Yeah, guys, the onion was ready, and I put chicken and tomatoes and green bell pepper, and I seasoning it to my liking. There's one seasoning there I couldn't live without. I really love that seasoning. It's lemon with black pepper. It's a really good one. And be mindful to don't add too much water, because the vegetable itself, they have a lot of water, and mushroom does have water too. We just want it to be more delicious and amazing. And that's why no too much water. Just like you see a bit of water I add, that is all I cook it with all the while, all this time. If you are afraid that your dish might burn or something, you can just lower the heat and cook it in the lower heat so that it can cook nicely and the meat can absorb the soup, and it could give you that tasty. And what I was making in the other side is one of our traditional food, well known, color cup. I have the video in the channel, so you're interested to watch it. I will link it right here on the video end, and you can see it right. You can click it and watch it. Believe me when I tell you, you're gonna love it, because that's how you can learn the culture and the traditional and what they eat. And so far, like for me, I love to cook and I love food, actually. So it's one of the things I do the most. When I'm stressed, I cook. When I'm happy to, I cook. Most of the time, I like cooking. And my kid too, they love homemade food. It's not like we don't eat out. Sometimes we do eat out, but most of the time I do cook in the house. Maybe when I just feel like, I just want to buy something, I just go outside and grab something. So like I say, welcome to the channel, and thank you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being a part of the channel. I have a membership, actually. If you like, you can just join my membership to support the channel. I would really be happy about it, and I will appreciate it. Thank you. So far, I add my mushroom, and I let them cook for just 10 minutes, actually. So it doesn't become soggy so much, because I just want them a little bit more crunchy. And that should serve. And now I turn off the heat, and I'm going to let them cool down a little bit, but I'm hungry, so I can't wait too much. All I need is just a bowl of this food now and eat it. So it's ready. You can see now how delicious it is. No too much water. It's just the natural water the food produces, because that water couldn't stay longer, because we cook meat like for 5 minutes, so the water gone. And that is a cup, actually. That is called a cup. And you can have it with anyone. For the South Sudanese who are watching this, and I know you're gonna judge me, Nyajima, why are you eating it with mushroom? It's okay. You can try with different dishes. Sometimes it's fun to try different dish with a cup. Like I'm trying today with mushroom, and I know we normally go with the meat and the soup, but today I add something extra so to just elevate the food. Look at that, guys. I was looking so good and amazing. If you cook this one in your house and you invited me, I will come. It's really good. But yeah, first I need to teach you how to make a cup first. See you in the next video.